On this week's Wallet Wednesday, we're tackling rising interest rates. They're causing a lot of financial stress right now, especially when it comes to maintaining your credit score.
During these times of inflation, it's more important than ever to manage that all-important number. Joining us live with some ways you can be more credit savvy is consumer expert Rebecca Gramuglia with TopCashback.com. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me on.
Yeah, thanks for being here. What's the most important thing consumers can do to protect their credit and their credit scores during these rate hikes?
Sure. So, especially with the rate hikes, those are going to take into effect when you have a balance on your credit card that is carrying over from month to month. So, key thing, spend within your means. And I know that is a bit easier said than done, but try your best to really, if you are charging something to your credit card, being able to pay it off in full, because that will really help boost your credit score.
Yeah, so those higher interest rates just mean that the longer this balance sits on your card, the more you're going to end up paying over time, right?
Definitely. Yes, exactly. So if you can pay your card in full and on time, and that will really help your score in the long run.
Are there any other common mistakes that people should avoid?
Sure. So I keep stressing about paying in full, but it really is the largest factor that goes into your credit score. So if you are only paying the minimum and you can afford to pay your card in full, do that. Do not have that balance carry over, because like we said, then it's just going to pile on that interest and you're going to end up spending more than you originally were planning to.
So if someone has, an outstanding balance on several cards, or if they're feeling a little bit overwhelmed right now with debt and they're watching these rate hikes go up, what's your advice to help them get their finances under control?
Definitely. So first off, review your credit card statements to see if there are any costs you can cut immediately. So things like subscriptions and memberships that you can either freeze or, put on hold or even cancel is so important. But equally, if you are able to, at your card and you find that you cannot cut any costs, always look for money saving tips, use coupons, comparison shop, which is so key, especially as we head into the holiday season. It's a big time for consumers to be spending money. So find your item at its lowest price point, layer on those coupons. Of course, if you are shopping for things like groceries where the prices are really high, make sure you're signed up for those loyalty programs to earn exclusive offers and discounts. And then of course, if you're shopping online, use a cashback site like TopCashback.com. We offer the highest percentage of your money back guaranteed at over 7,000 retailers. And to even sweeten those savings a bit further, I know we're saying about, being mindful of your spending, but use your credit card to your advantage. If you have a card that you can earn rewards or cash back on, make sure you know that and know what card to use for those certain purchases that you were going to make anyway, and really enjoy those benefits and make your card work for you.
Yeah, we've been talking about credit scores, your credit report. How often should you check your credit report? And what should you be looking for when you get access to it?
Definitely. So you can review your credit report for free annually from either Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion. And you're going to want to look to make sure that there aren't any discrepancies on your card. So a charge that you may not have made, or it says that you missed a payment, or anything else that is not familiar to you. You'll want to write a letter to the information provider and the credit provider if you see something wrong.
I think, when it comes to money and finances and budgets, a lot of people like to go, I don't want to know, ignorance is bliss, bury your head in the sand. If you're worried about missing payments, if you're worried about not being able to pay those bills, the inclination is to want to run away. But can it actually be better to proactively reach out to your credit company, to talk to them? Are there ways that they might be able to help you out?
Of course, definitely vocalize your concerns, especially if in the past you have been a loyal member. They will likely give you some leeway, especially if you only miss like one payment, for example. Definitely call your credit card, talk to them, and see what they can do for you, because they want to keep you as a happy customer.
Yes, of course they do, and they will work with you as long as they know what's going on. Rebecca, thank you for sharing your credit management tips for us.
Thank you so much.
And for more financial advice anytime, check out our previous Wallet Wednesday segments on KOIN.com. Just click on the AM Extra tab.